Good morning. We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of co-creating. Do you agree?
Yes.
You are knowing what you are wanting? Yes. We can feel that from you. We're eager to get right to that. Have you been listening to us for a while?
Yes.
So you know everything we know?
Yes.
You may very well. Did you have to go to school to learn about gravity? Or did it just have its way with you? So law of attraction is having its way with you. How's it working out? Pretty good. Pretty obvious, isn't it? You get what you think about. Do you know that you get what you think about? And so, since you know that, does that help you think more purposefully? Not so much. That's really the advantage that we have to you. We can help you to sort of figure out what habits of thought you have and which of those habits of thought. Belief is just a thought you continue to think, and it's a habit of thought. And the reason that it's a habit of thought is because law of attraction is responding to it. And so law of attraction is what causes it to become more. Law of attraction and momentum are really the same thing, because whatever it is you're giving your attention to, you're attracting more of the same, even if it's more of the same thought or more of a similar thought. So once you get a thought that is so habitual to you that it happens almost without you intending it, you just think it. It's sort of knee-jerk reaction thought. That's what momentum is. That's what a belief is. And that's what, in many cases, an uncontrollable or a not deliberate vibration is. We call it creating by default. You know, most people offer most of their vibration in response to what they are observing. So since you've been trained to be so objective, which means you want to evaluate things, you don't want to be caught off guard, you want to know what your options are, you want to weigh the pros and the cons and the pluses and the minuses. And so we love you so much, but you are evaluating all over the place in the quest of being objective, and in doing so you're just junking up your own point of attraction. So that, for example, when you want more money and you just simply and purely want more money, well, that's a clear vibration, a vibration of clarity that would bring opportunities for more money. But when you want more money, but you are such an observer of where you stand in relationship to the money you've got or the money you want, that evaluation causes you to want more money, notice you don't have enough, want more money, notice you don't have enough, want more money, notice you don't have enough. So you've got this jumbled vibration. In other words, your desire is compromised by your negative belief. And so it sounds logical, well, just only think about your desire and don't think about your belief. But your belief is so often wrapped up in what's actually happening. And you've been trained to be, some of you, truthful about what it is that you are seeing. In other words, you want to tell it like it is. You want to face reality. You don't want to be one of those dreamers, one of those head in the clouds, not realistic people. But the problem with that is that if you are observing a lot of what is manifested in your experience, then you're not letting it change very much, because the majority of your vibrational output to which the universe is responding is just about what is. So you keep getting more of the same, different faces in different places, and sometimes even different kinds of experiences that all result in the same sort of bottom line experience. So the reason that we are here, you've invited us vibrationally to chew with you about these laws of the universe is because when you understand how it works, and more important, when you notice what the universal response to you is, if there are things about the universal response to you that don't please you completely, you can change them. But you have to be deliberate about it, and you have to do more than just offer words. You have to actually find a way to offer a vibration that matches what you want instead of a vibration that matches what you've got. And we will acknowledge with you that it isn't the easiest thing, because you came from source energy. Do you know that? Larger part of you is still non-physically focused, but here you are in your beautiful bodies having these experiences. And the thing that we really want to emphasize, because this is a key to you being able to do anything about it and being more deliberate about your life experience, you've got to understand this one thing. In your physical body, right here and now, we like this so much, and we like saying it to you in a way that you can really get it. This now that we are all sharing is manifestation at its fullest, at its furthest. You hear, and what you're seeing and hearing and smelling and tasting and touching, this is manifestation. Not only is this manifestation, this is the furthermost leading edge manifestation that all that is, which includes all of us and that which you want to call God, all that is forward looking with you right here in this now. This manifestation is about the culmination of the creation, and it's about how much of the energy that's flowing, and there's a lot more than you know, are you allowing to show up or to manifest in ways that are pleasing to you. Now, this is where it gets a little dicey for you to hear it. You translate vibration into reality. You translate vibration into reality. Now, you get together collectively and you talk with each other, and so you make a really firm reality that as a group of people on the planet you feel is sort of what it is and therefore not so changeable. But it's changing constantly, and it could be changing so much to the better, meaning so much to the more satisfying for you. But what happens, because humanity mostly just observes what is, this constant changing mostly just keeps changing to more of the same. But it doesn't have to. It could change to more people being happy. It could change to more people being in vibrant health. It could change to more people feeling utter clarity. It could change to more peace and happiness and harmony on the planet. It could change to all of this, but it can't change to that when so many people are focused in opposition to that, because what's reflected in this manifestation is about what humans are outputting. You see how it works? You put it out, it comes back to you. You put it out, it comes back to you. What you put out is what comes back to you. Law of attraction is so consistent, and that's what makes it your best friend, because it never tricks you, it never gets squirrely, it's never inconsistent. Esther has found words that describe what we mean. Vibrational integrity means the truth of vibration. What a vibration is what it reflects back. It manifests in all ways to see and hear and smell and taste and touch.